Hey, what's up, guys? I'm UJ, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of image tracking using OSINT, open source intelligence. Whether you're a journalist, investigator, or just curious about that viral meme's origin, this video is for you. I'll walk you through 10 free OSINT tools to help you track images online. No special access needed. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about the original powerhouse of image tracking, Google Reverse Image Search. If you've ever wondered where a photo came from, or wanted to know if an image has been used elsewhere on the internet, this is the tool that started it all. It's been around for years, and for good reason. It's fast, free, and incredibly easy to use, making it a favorite among journalists, researchers, and everyday internet users alike. To get started, just head over to images.google.com. Once you're there, look for the little camera icon in the search bar. Click it, and you'll have two options. You can either paste the URL of an image you found online, or upload a photo directly from your device. It's as simple as drag and drop, or a quick copy and paste. Within seconds, Google scours billions of images across the web and brings back a list of visually similar images, related web pages, and sometimes even the exact original source of the photo. You'll see where else the image appears online, which websites are using it, and even get suggestions for similar pictures. This is incredibly useful for verifying the authenticity of photos, tracking the spread of viral memes, or checking if an image has been taken out of context. Whether you're fact-checking news stories, investigating suspicious social media posts, or just curious about a photo's origin, Google Reverse Image Search is your go-to tool. Here's a pro tip. Pay close attention to the visually similar images section. This area can help you spot edited, cropped, or otherwise altered versions of the original image. It's a great way to uncover manipulated photos or find higher resolution versions. Thanks to Google's massive database and lightning-fast search capabilities, it remains an essential tool in any OSINT, open source intelligence toolkit. Whether you're a professional investigator or just a curious netizen, mastering Google Reverse Image Search can open up a world of information at your fingertips. Next up, let's dive into TinEye, a tool that's become synonymous with precision in the world of reverse image search. If you're looking for a platform that specializes in finding exact matches and even the most subtle variations of an image, TinEye is a top contender. It's trusted by journalists, researchers, and digital sleuths worldwide for its accuracy and reliability. Using TinEye is incredibly straightforward. You can upload an image directly from your device, drag and drop it into the search box, or simply paste the image's URL. Once you do, TinEye's powerful algorithms scan its vast and ever-growing database, searching for both exact matches and modified versions of your image. This includes images that have been cropped, resized, color-adjusted, or even slightly altered in other ways, making it a fantastic tool for tracking down where and how your images appear online. One of TinEye's standout features is the Compare button. This tool allows you to view your original image side by side with the results, making it easy to spot even the most subtle edits or manipulations. Whether you're investigating copyright infringement, verifying the authenticity of a photo, or just curious about where an image has been used, this feature is invaluable. Plus, you can sort your search results by newest, oldest, or best match, giving you control over how you review the findings. While TinEye doesn't crawl the entire web like some other search engines, it excels at tracking the spread of images across the sites it does index. This makes it especially useful for monitoring how an image travels online, identifying altered copies, and uncovering the origins of a photo. For anyone needing to trace the digital footprint of an image, whether for personal, professional, or investigative reasons, TinEye is a reliable ally. For even greater convenience, TinEye offers a browser extension. With just a single click, you can instantly search any image you come across online. No need to visit the website or manually upload files. This makes TinEye an essential tool for anyone serious about image tracking, verification, or digital research. If you need precision and efficiency in your reverse image searches, TinEye is a must-have in your toolkit. Yandex Images is a hidden gem, especially for faces and locations. Upload an image, and Yandex excels at finding other photos of the same person, even from different angles or outfits. It's also great for identifying landmarks and geolocating images, sometimes down to the street. Results may be in Russian, but Google Translate solves that easily. Yandex's algorithms often outperform Western engines for faces and places. For social media checks or geolocation, Yandex is a must-try. Bing Visual Search brings unique features to image tracking. Upload an image and you can draw a box to focus your search on specific parts. Great for images with multiple objects. Bing finds similar images, shopping results, and related products. Plus, it integrates smoothly with Microsoft tools. Use the API for automated searches if you're a power user. Bing is a solid alternative that complements Google and TinEye. In today's digital world, it's easier than ever for people to hide behind fake profiles or stolen photos. That's where Social Catfish comes in, a powerful online tool dedicated to helping you verify the true identity of people you meet online. Whether you're connecting on social media, dating apps, or even professional networks, Social Catfish specializes in verifying online identities and profile pictures, giving you peace of mind before you trust someone new. With just a few clicks, you can upload an image or enter a username, and Social Catfish will search across social networks, dating sites, and countless other online platforms. It doesn't just look for exact matches, it also finds similar faces, usernames, and even related accounts that might be using the same information. This makes it incredibly useful for uncovering hidden connections or duplicate profiles that might otherwise go unnoticed. Social Catfish is perfect for spotting fake accounts or stolen photos, which is especially important for dating safety and scam prevention. Online scams are on the rise, and catfishing can have serious emotional and financial consequences. By using Social Catfish, you can quickly check if someone's photos are being used elsewhere, or if their story doesn't add up, helping you avoid heartbreak or fraud. The free version of Social Catfish is a great starting point for anyone curious about an online connection. You can search not only by photo, but also by phone number, email address, or username, making it versatile for different situations. If you need more detailed results, premium options are available, offering deeper searches and more comprehensive reports. So, if you want to verify someone's online identity, protect yourself from scams, or simply gain confidence in your online interactions, Social Catfish is a must-have tool. It empowers you to make informed decisions, ensuring your digital relationships are safe and genuine. ImageRaider is all about monitoring where your images appear online. Upload an image or URL, and it regularly scans the web for new appearances, even altered versions. Perfect for artists or photographers concerned about copyright and misuse. The free tier covers basic needs, with paid options for more frequent checks. For automated image monitoring, ImageRaider is a solid addition to your OSINT workflow. RevEye is a browser extension that lets you right-click any image and search across multiple engines: Google, Yandex, Bing, TinEye, and more. It's a huge time saver for thorough OSINT work, opening results in new tabs for easy comparison. Each engine has its strengths, so casting a wide net boosts your chances of finding what you need. Lightweight, free, and works on Chrome and Firefox. For speed and efficiency, RevEye is a must-have tool. ExifTool is a command-line utility for extracting hidden metadata from images. Photos often contain EXIF data, like when and where they were taken, device info, and sometimes GPS coordinates. ExifTool reveals this info, which is invaluable for verifying authenticity or geolocating images. Not all images have metadata, but when they do, ExifTool uncovers details you can't see otherwise. If you're serious about digital investigations, ExifTool is essential. FotoForensics analyzes images for signs of manipulation and hidden metadata. Upload an image, and it runs tests like error level analysis, ELA, to highlight possible edits. It also checks compression, color levels, and more, helpful for detecting fake news or doctored photos. There's a learning curve, but guides are available to help you interpret results. For journalists and researchers, FotoForensics is an invaluable verification tool. Karma Decay is built for Reddit image tracking. Upload or paste an image URL, and it scans Reddit to show where and when the image has been posted. Great for tracking meme spread, verifying viral stories, or spotting reposts. Results are easy to browse, showing matching threads and original submissions. For Reddit-specific investigations, Karma Decay is the go-to tool. That's 10 free OSINT tools to help you track, analyze, and understand images online. Use them ethically. OSINT is about transparency, not invading privacy. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share your favorite tool in the comments. Stay curious, stay ethical, and I'll see you in the next one.